Hi everyone, welcome to Nife's Kitchen. So in this kitchen today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very simple and delicious spaghetti. So in this, we're going to be needing all these these are the ingredients. This is our smoked turkey. This is gizzard. This is Maggi. This is salt, tomato paste, onions, spaghetti, and this is pepper. So what we're going to be doing is just to wash this pepper and blend it. So which I already have the blended one here that we're going to be using. All right, let's start this together. What we're going to be doing is just to slice the onion. So now we add our oil into the pot. So now let's add our onions into the oil. Now the next thing is to add our tomato paste, which is our tin tomato. So we leave it to fry for like 2 minutes. So now the next thing is, this is water for our spaghetti. So the water is boiled already. So all what we need to do now is just to put our spaghetti inside. Then we add salt. Just mix them all together. Then cover it to cook. So let it boil for like 10 minutes. So now we're going to add the pepper. Just mix it together. Then you add the Maggi, salt, curry, thyme, Then you mix everything together. So just leave it to fry for like 10 minutes, but just keep turning. Maybe after 2 minutes, just turn. So we leave it. So now I want to add this with it, or shrimp. The smoked turkey. And the gizzard. Now we mix everything together. So let's leave it for another few minutes. Now let's see our spaghetti, if it's ready. Oh wow, we're good to go. So the next thing we need is just a sieve. So I brought this closer for you guys to see what we're looking at. So the next thing now is just to pour in our spaghetti. Lower the heat. Just keep turning and make sure that everything is well mixed together. Yes, our spaghetti is ready. So I hope you guys can see the spaghetti. So this is how it looks like. So try your own and let me see how it goes. All right, thank you. See you next time. Bye. Have a wonderful time. Love you all. God bless you.